There are three main types of pain you should know. One is the classic type of pain, which is the nociceptive pain. That's the type of pain that you think about when you say the word pain. So imagine someone hitting you in the foot or a bee stinging you. When the pain is very localized and it hurts exactly at the location where the trauma occurred. The second type of pain that you should know about is called peripheral pain. That's a type of pain that impacts the region around where pain has been implemented. A good example of that are, for example, endoflares associated with endometriosis. So in women with endometriosis, you might have symptoms that are essentially go beyond where the lesion or where the trauma actually happened. So we're talking about bowel issues, so IBS-like symptoms that a lot of women with endo might have, bloating as part of that as well, pain having sex, or other kind of digestive issues. And then the third type of pain you should be aware of is called Central Pain Sensitization, otherwise known as neuroplastic pain. That's the strongest level of pain that we see in the vast majority of chronic pain conditions. This is the type of pain that evolves at the brain level, so at the central nervous system level, when you've been in pain for an extended period of time. We as humans evolved to run away from pain. That's the reason we experience pain, because if you have some painful experience, you should be able to get away from it. But when pain is inside us, like in the cases of endometriosis or, even cases like cancer, our bodies are experiencing pain but are not able to run away from them because that pain is inside us. And that's when the brain gets agitated because it doesn't understand the dissonance between you being in pain and not running away from it. And that's when it becomes sensitive across your entire body to any experiences and starts calling them painful. And that's when you develop central pain sensitization, and it's the reason why sometimes women with endometriosis who undergo a surgery to remove their lesion will still experience chronic pain, because it's no longer linked to where the actual trauma happened, but it's actually linked to their brain perpetuating that pain as well. Central pain sensitization is going to be the new frontier of actually figuring out new treatments for chronic pain management, and Samphire Headband is one of the ways that you can take control of your central pain sensitization, especially if you're a woman living with endometriosis, adenomyosis, chronic pelvic pain, or severe pelvic pain during your periods or outside of the period space, in order to take control of that sensation and reduce your pain sensitivity.